You know, when you're using your phone, there's a way that you've probably always done things. And then did you know there's probably a faster way? And so we're all about saving time and trying to do things quickly and in the most efficient manner possible. So here's a really cool tip. You can use a tap on the back of your phone to activate some of your settings. So let's go in there right now. Let's head into settings. And then I want you to go down to accessibility. I'll just show you where it is here, but just a quick little tap there will get you in. And by the way, this is in iOS 14. In accessibility, find touch. It's under the physical and motor section. So I'm just going to hold it here just to point it out to you, but it's just a simple tap to get you into touch. And then right at the bottom, back tap. This is tapping the back of your phone, whether you have a case or not. I'm going to turn that on right now. Click. And for double tap, so it's hitting the back of your phone twice, I've got nothing selected right now. For my job, I use screenshots a lot. So it would be way more convenient for me to tap the back of my phone twice to take a screenshot. So I'm going to select screenshot. I'm going to turn that on. If I double tap the back of my case, it takes a screenshot. How quick is that? And it goes right into my photo gallery. Now you can do the same thing with the triple tap. So it's just a matter of finding something that you use frequently to put the triple tap on. So go through the list, see what they have. I have mine set for double tap screenshot, triple tap control center.